Afternoon.
Cassie Sengo is my name. I'm going to do two pieces here. I hope they flow into each other because they're all about love. The first is called Enemy Within. I smiled inside, guess he sensed it, for his was wide, no pretenses. Mumbled dim through knotted zips. His eyes conveyed he read my lips. Held back my hand, poor shoulder hurt. His shake was grand, very alert. Thought and deed were unaligned. Words ran mockingly through my mind. He said to me with clarity, love your enemy and you live free. Love's power cannot be bought nor sold. Its currency more value than gold. I walked away feeling abashed, deciding to empty rubbish stashed. Forgave myself those whom I hated, detested, or could not be tolerated. A weight was lifted. Fresh joy inspired carefree peace. Nothing to hide, face shone at least. No longer was I invisible, communicating, engaging multiple people. But loving you, is it so simple? Next one is called Love's a Rhyme. Said, love's a poem when you say it. She loves a rhyme when you play it. Me, love to love you and you know it. She, lover, let's take it slow. Like two steamers we went to town, rockabye baby and getting down, turning and twisting on a golden leaf, above, below to her relief. She lets me in, I go in whole, more than just body, into each other's soul. Our rooms the color of fire and light, minds in sync with the light of night. Like a turntable she spins and spins, tasting her ecstasy, drinking it in. I'm all aflame and she whispers my name. And trolling the game, I sound hers the same. She's lifted in spirit, in emotion, in truth. I'm old and she knows it, this fountain of youth. Togetherness is coming into its own. Its sweetness is present, to us only known.
How are you going?
It matters not who comes when unions are thirst. In this spiritual passion, love comes first. Eyes meet in appreciation, we revel in the soil, breathing so smoothly as we uncoil. Understanding and reason shine from our hearts. No need for the words till death do us part. From ceremony to matrimony, we have traveled far. We rest serenely on enlightenment's star, for love's a rhyme. Thank you.